Zapable is a cloud-based app that is used to create amazing apps in real estate, fitness, small hotels, restaurants, and many more. How to dominate a virtually untapped $77 billion marketplace and create your own professional app within minutes. Zapable is beginner-friendly, fast, easy and simple to use. Here is agency element number 1 to 5 done for you in ultra-high-quality agency videos. Use these to attract clients.
Are you a business consultant or a coach? Have you ever considered your own branded mobile app for your services? In today's world where physical contact and travel isn't as easy as it used to be, a mobile app gets you closer to your customer, and it's never been more important. You can now stream your coaching via online services like Zoom and Microsoft Teams. With the in-app PDF feature, you can display your content and training files to your clients so they can download and access them at any time. Do you have an important message or opportunity you want your clients to know about? Or why not use the incredible push notifications feature that will be sent directly to their phone, which has been proven to have a much higher deliverability rate than email? Why not add a video and an image gallery to show your training content? You can even charge clients a membership fee to access your password protected content and take payment via Stripe, PayPal, or even bank transfer. Add all your social media feeds and more. So, what are you waiting for? Contact us today to get started, and let's explode your online coaching business. Are you a personal trainer? Have you thought about getting your own mobile app to bring your fitness business into the digital world? Imagine somewhere you could record your workouts, upload to the app, and charge people a monthly fee to access your incredible content. Selling access 24/7 even while you sleep. Upload your workouts for private members only, giving your clients their own unique login. And access to your online workouts, your classes, and workout schedule. And with your new app, you can even stream your live workouts via Zoom. Add your own merch store with access to your own fitness accessories, apparel, or supplements. Your own mobile app creates unlimited amounts of potential income for your business. Your app comes fully branded with your custom logo, theme, and style, and is available on all platforms including the Apple and Google App Stores. So, what are you waiting for? Contact us today to get started and bring your fitness business into a coffee shop or a cafe. Have you ever thought about having your own incredible mobile app for your business? An app where your customers can access your special offers, discount coupons, and in-app digital rewards cards, encouraging them to keep coming back to your business. With your own app, you can easily show off your delicious menus and update and change it at any time. Do you have a daily special on that you want to let your customers know about? Well, with a few simple clicks, you can let your customers know about it with a stunning push notification sent directly to their phone. You can also add in your own app track and trace feature, which allows customers to submit their details when they arrive. This is now a legal requirement in some countries. Does your coffee shop brand have multiple locations? Well, the user can just click in-app and find out more information on the locations of your stores and which one is most convenient for them to visit. Your app comes fully branded with your own theme and style. So, what are you waiting for? Contact us today to get started and explode the growth of your coffee shop business. Are you a realtor that wants more business the easy way? Have you thought about getting your own mobile app to bring your real estate business into the digital world? Imagine somewhere where you could showcase your property listings within seconds to the app. You can allow your user to favorite the properties they are most interested in, and even schedule an appointment directly in your app. With your app, you can add new listings and properties that have just sold. You can give sneak previews of new listings about to come onto the market. You can also add your own social channels like Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. Add the health and safety measures you are implementing in today's world so clients can feel safe and confident to go and view a property. A mobile app will help your realtor business not only survive but thrive in 2020 and beyond. Your app comes fully branded with your own theme and style. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today to get started and explode your realtor business. Do you have your own restaurant? Have you ever thought of your own incredible mobile app for your business? In today's world where physical contact and travel isn't as easy as it used to be, if your restaurant provides a takeaway or a delivery service, a mobile app enables you to receive online orders and take payment via Stripe, PayPal or bank transfer. You can also integrate with Just Eat, Grubhub and many other providers. Customers can access your special offers, discount coupons via your app digital rewards card, encouraging them to keep coming back. With your own app, you can easily show off your delicious menu and update it and change it at any time. Do you have a daily special on that you want to let your customers know about? Well, with a few simple clicks, you can let your customers know about it with a stunning push notification sent directly to the user's phone. You can also add in your own app track and trace feature, which allows your customers to submit their details when they arrive if they're dining in. This is now a legal requirement in some countries. Your app comes fully loaded and fully branded with your own theme and style. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today to get started and explode the growth of your restaurant business.